Okay, so we hit the first snag of the trip. We came without COVID reports, and if you want to enter Himachal, you need a COVID report. So I'm not the responsible one over here. It's Tushar and Yudhvir. So these guys did not have a COVID report, and there is no way we could have entered Himachal. So we are here in Roopnagar. We've spent some 2 hours over here, and we've lost a lot of valuable time. So probably we won't be able to hit Manali today. But they finally have a COVID test. I have been vaccinated twice like a responsible citizen, unlike these guys. So Yudhvir is now going to apply for an e-pass, which again Tushar and I have done because we are responsible people, unlike Yudhvir.
Shut up, yaar.
Get a COVID test, guys. Get a COVID test done if you want to travel to Himachal. There's no way you can enter Himachal without one. And yeah, so probably we'll have to stop at Mandi. Mandi, right? Mandi was how many hours away from here?
I think 4.
4. And Kullu was 6. And Manali is over 8. So there's no way we can hit Manali.
It'll take 10 hours.
It'll take 10 hours. So just there's no need to go to Manali today. Now I just want to see the process of the border. Whether all of this trouble was worth it. How do they let us in? What happens? Let's go, let's see. By the way, how many have we done? So I've done over 300 kilometers easily. Completely missed the road while, you know, trying to see the speedo. So 181 and 150 before that. So 330. So even after doing 330 kilometers this morning, just perfect the bike. I've had zero complaints. There was one little stretch about 10 kilometers earlier where, you know, you felt the lack of power. And when I say you feel the lack of power there, it's only if you're used to big bike power. So had I been on my Tiger 1200 there, I would probably have been holding 120, 130 on that stretch. But it's okay, it was only a very small stretch. Nowhere else did I feel that, you know, I need a lot more power in this bike. The fact that it's very lightweight and it's got terrific ground clearance, suspension travel, that makes up for the lack of power. That Himalayan's going a lot faster than what our Xpulse is. That's partly due to the fact that the rider is very fast. Yudhvir is a very, very fast rider. Compared to us, me and Tushar, we are slow guys. Wait, isn't this supposed to be the toll for Himachal? I don't know, I'm not sure. But if it is, and there is no checking on the ground, even though the mandate is that, you know, we must show our what do you call it, the place where we booked, we must have an e-pass to enter, etc, etc. That'd be shameful, because we did all of that, and if there's no checking on ground, then it wasn't really worth all the trouble. I love the Xpulse, man. Like, bad roads, no roads, you can just sit on the seat and just keep going. You stand, you will be a lot faster, technical, but why tire myself out? And I'm in the 4th gear right now, I believe. Yeah, he's right there. I think the extra torque that the Himalayan makes over this motorcycle, more than double, I believe. What is it, the Himalayan? I think it makes 40 Newton meters compared to some low 20s of this motorcycle. That will be the difference maker, apart from Yudhvir's riding while climbing. Okay, so still no place where they'll check. Okay, they'll check over here. Or no, not really. I think this toll tax is just for taxis then. Clearly we wasted 2 hours of our time getting tests. Okay, no, not really. Hello sir.
नहीं, यहाँ लगा लो साइड में, यहाँ से आपके डॉक्यूमेंट चेक होंगे ना.
It's a nice ride. I only felt that the bike was a little stretched. जो मनाली के लिए जो हिमाचल में घुसने से पहले एक स्ट्रेच आता है, फ्लैट रोड, where you think that you can hold a 130 on a bigger bike. एक छोटा एक स्ट्रेच आएगा 5-10 किलोमीटर का, चढ़ने से चढ़ाई शुरू होने से पहले. That is the only place where I felt that, you know, maybe a bigger bike is, here is where the Xpulse is lacking. उसके अलावा मेरे को लगा नहीं कहीं. बस यार और बंदे का रोटी. You're having to hold back a lot. You're having to hold back a lot.
मैं ऐसे ही जाता हूँ.
आप तेज चलाते हो.
इवन BMW भी जब लास्ट टाइम धर्मशाला आए थे इसी रूट से,
हाँ.
बस पार है ना बस. सेम चीज.
हाँ.
मैं तेज चला.
हम मैंने 100 पे पीछे चल रहे होते और आप 130 पे गायब हो गए.
नहीं मैं 130 पे नहीं. Just that in traffic I. तब तो we were on bigger bikes.
Yeah man.
It's all about the skill.
235 kilometers on this tank full, and it keeps fluctuating between 3 bars and 4 bars. That means it's closer to 3 bars than it is to 4 bars right now. ऊपर तक भर देना एकदम. चला दो. 98 का है यहाँ पे पेट्रोल. सस्ता है. क्या बात है. इमेजिन हमें 98 अब सस्ता लग रहा है. भर दो एकदम ऊपर तक. So this is about how much I got the last time also. हाँ?
1.25 लीटर.
Only? तो यानी कि 6 लीटर अभी भी था इसके अंदर. So 233 divided by 7. 233 by 7 कितना होता है? 32, 35. It was very dangerous, man. Shouldn't do this. We've stopped at a place called the Lakeview Bilaspur, and it's not just any ordinary Lakeview. Take a look. Just see how vast the expanse is. Right in the middle of the hills. It is massive. Yudhvir, how do you know of this place?
I stopped there 15 years back.
15 years ago.
Maybe
And you
more.
still remember?
No, I knew that this place has got a vast view, but because of monsoons, it has become like this. I never knew.
It's very lush and green. And you know, it's very surprising that this exists in the middle of the hills because we are surrounded by mountains everywhere.
And there are a couple of temples. Wow.
Yeah. Over there. It's over there, little one over there. And then there were boats also here. So they're trying to make a bridge over there. I don't know if the camera can capture that, but they're trying to make a bridge. And yeah, the boats are back. Beautiful, yeah. So, Tushar, you are facing a little difficulty in your motorcycle. What has happened?
The rear brake is jamming up again and again. It's making some kind of sound and it's jamming up.
And it's locking up, and
Yeah.
then you skidded also.
Yeah,
but
quite.
thankfully, you were able to control it.
Yeah.
Now move to the front. Move to the front, taking help of this. Move to the पकड़ लिया ना? Chain which is making it.
Do you think the brake pads are touching थोड़ा ज़्यादा? नहीं. क्या लग रहा है?
इतनी देर नहीं घूम सकता यार.
मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे.
अरे फ्री घूम रहा है ना.
रख दे.
ये देख. अगर होगा तो ऐसे घूमेगा ही नहीं ना यार. Actually, जब the real thing is if the piston would come out and the brakes are completely worn out,
Yeah.
then this thing may happen.
Yeah, then the piston doesn't go back.
But then the travel
वो
has
jam
to
हो जाता है.
increase.
हाँ.
Travel is still there so much. So in
Yeah.
that case, the pedal will travel like this, you know.
It will just go down
halfway.
completely.
That is the point where the pistons have completely come out. Once
Okay.
they come out, then obviously it's a jam.
हाँ.
This one doesn't look like a jam.
So, the update is we are at Bilaspur and we are gonna stop in Mandi. अरे काले बादल लग गए. It's gonna fucking rain. Yeah, it's going to rain now. We've been lucky. We managed to avoid rain all day. I hope we stay lucky a little longer. No rain. We don't like rain, especially when we are riding. Okay, let's carry forward.